My feet are swollen. My stomach is cramping. I have fun though.
We know.
Hey guys, what is up? Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, welcome. If you're older but a goodie, welcome back. So welcome to my baby shower vlog. So I do want to come and open up and explain a couple things before we jump in. It's not going to be a typical vlog. Obviously it's the day of my baby shower, so I was the one that was enjoying it, so I didn't have the camera much. My friend actually was trying to record for me, but you know how YouTube goes with all the copyright. Obviously music and everything was playing in the background and everything like that. But y'all saw the prep video. On the day of the event, we actually had to go set up as well. So we went 2 hours before the event started and we were setting up, and I was there even till the time when the events will start. But you know, we Jamaican, so we didn't start on time. We said 3 o'clock, but we really meant 4. So by the time I left the venue and they were still setting up and stuff, I got home, I rushed and got dressed and everything like that. Went back, I got there around 6 o'clock. So I was like 3 hours late, really 2, because like I said, we meant 4 o'clock even though it was 3. So when I went, I just jumped on the 360 video thing that's going around. So that was my entrance. Zoe had texted my cousin to play Shani O'Meara exclusive, so that was my song that I walked into. Now, I'm not a spotlight person. It was so awkward, like going in and everybody looking at me. But once I walked in and stepped on that thing and the music was playing, I was vibing. I was feeling myself. Like, it was so much fun. I had so much fun. The entrance and everything was great. Shout out to the 360 girls. I'll also tag them down below. If you're in the Philly area, you want to use them in Philly, definitely reach out to them. I'll leave their at here on screen and also in the description box.
Everybody up, yeah, give them a hug, yeah. Everybody up, love a look, yeah, give them a hug, yeah. Come me down, spend a couple dub, yeah. Make the club shake, even the check on the asphalt, know the must, yeah. Slim gal, split the pussy, gal, they carry enough, yeah. Everybody up, give them a hug, yeah. No shatters, if you run out, just wait. Tough crackers, them badness are up, yeah. And a bus clappers, a broke foot, a dog plate, girl love backers. That girl mo fuck straight, now the swamp break. Bump hook a chuck rate, a big room, a old broom, no freak, a clean sweep. Must wake, no escape. House lift up left gate. Love it look, pour up a chest plate. Love it look, roll up a next grade. One crocodile, pussy them a pet snake. Run with me style, give them a upgrade. Move anything if I no need a bus plate. Hustle, all you be love straight. Rise early, murder the sun, no walk late. You see why you keep me think never flow late. Love it look, give them a upgrade. Seizure, girl see me and just shake. One deal with my bars like she a subway. London girl would I say yup night. Trinidad, New York, upstate. In 9 other girl, pussy them love hate. When me say badness upgrade. First matic, black lab stuff slave. Line them up, think me a run fade. See me a pussy them just spray. Shoot, murder, gun trade. Jump up, just lead. Everybody up. Give them a up.
And then after that, I just went and mingled, took pictures with everybody. The photographer was there as well. So I was just mingling and taking pictures and just having fun dancing. Now, I danced till my feet hurt so much. We played a few games, and because the event was a little late, we were running late. We didn't get to play all the games that we had planned for the baby shower, but it was still a vibe. Like the music, once the music there, once you know, good vibe, good people there, and that's why it's so important for me to like have good people around me, because then the vibe was just right and everything just flowed and everything was great.
All the contestants, can you guys? All right, the rule is you guys cannot bite the nipple. You guys, okay.
Oh, give her back. Give her back. Give her back.
Hi, hello. Thank you so much. So, first game of the night. Okay, so when the baby is born, it has to suck from the bottle.
Drink.
Suck from the bottle. So you guys are going to suck from the bottle. You can't bite the nipple. You cannot take off the cover. You have to drink from the middle. Okay? First person to win gets a ticket to Jamaica.
Hold on. First person who wins. All right. All right. We're gonna count until. All right. 1, 2. Hold on there. All right. 1, 2, 3. Go.
Yeah, man, suck it! Yeah! Watch out! What's on the serious? I'm gonna take my team serious.
Shut it! Mama, so you're pregnant. I take
Explain what one.
We're measuring the belly. So right now they're guessing to see what size she is. Yeah, 8 months. Even though she just 5.
Okay, I get the concept now. So, when I have a roll off how big you think the belly is. That is the game. No, you cannot measure it yet. Walano. You can't ask no questions. First of all, we have something playing in the background like DJ. There's something nice and just mellow, not too loud. All right. Contestant number 1. Too big.
After that, I was all right, you stay right up.
All right, no Dubai. All right. All right, we have one more person. One more. Speed Town badness. Watch this.
What's that?
All right, we have 2 possible winners. Let's see.
We have a try and see who's close enough to
So the closest without overlapping.
No, sir.
Them get for care plus.
Perfect.
Next.
It's my belly button.
A Jada win, huh?
I think she winning the trip to Dubai. She winning the trip to Dubai.
That can't go for. Oh, she gets qualified. What's
Then say I wrong belly button. I wrong belly button. She have the job. All right. Thanks for participating, guys.
I do want to say a big thank you to my mom for like everything, just like everything. Sis did that. She's excited. I felt the excitement, everything like that. From my friend Zoe, the decor. Did y'all see the decor? First of all, the theme was a bear themed event. I didn't get that much of it, but the theme was bear. We can barely wait. So it was bear theme with the blue and the, you know, the shades of browns. It was so beautiful. Loved it. The detail. Zoe had that. Shout out to my sister Camilla for just coming in and jumping onto the planning committee and just like executing things. Thank you to literally everybody who came out. My friend Jada, Samantha, like everybody who came out and did their part with setting up on the event. My sister Kayla, like everybody who came out. Obviously Sweets, like everybody. Ian's what shove. Everybody. I don't want to keep calling names because I don't want to miss nobody. But shout out to everybody who played a part with like setting up and everything like that. Would take away from the moment if I had to vlog. You know what I'm saying? So I wasn't really vlogging. But you'll get the picture. You'll see the good vibe. And at the end, I will just provide a summary of the baby shower that the videographer sent me. So you can just get a recap of everything. But I had so much fun. 10 out of 10. Definitely would recommend. The only the stressful part was the prep. But once that was out the way and I got there, it was great. Hopefully y'all enjoyed the little snippet. It's not going to be long, but hopefully y'all enjoy it. And I'm done. My feet are swollen. My stomach is cramping.
It's the blast.
I have fun though.
We know.
I have fun. Let me show y'all my ankles. Fun. Y'all look at my ankles. Hey. It's not focusing. Y'all can't really see them, but swollen and dirty. But be careful. Alright guys, hopefully y'all enjoyed it. Thank you for tuning in. I can't wait to go on this journey with y'all to motherhood. Stay tuned for the videos and I'll definitely see y'all in my next one. Bye y'all.